about using Notion as the backend for your website, and this allows you to quickly create a website that represents your brand or company. And as you can see, you can just start from a Notion table and create a custom website based on that. But it doesn't end there, because you can also create marketplace websites and even directories. So it's possible to create a wide range of types of websites with the system, and you can even accept payments and add your custom domain. So if you want to update a website, you just go to your Notion page and go from there, and it even has some benefits if you want to rank in Google, because it's optimized for SEO. And it's also possible to add paid subscribers, and you have even analytics to see how well your website is performing. From there, you can also integrate with several apps to make sure that you see all the newest updates, for example, through WhatsApp or Slack. So they have a free trial, and you can give it a spin for 7 days and see if it's something for you or not. So I think it's a really cool way to build websites if you are on a budget or don't want to use any coding. And other than that, the plan is around $39 per month, and then it will convert your Notion doc in a website. So I think it's a really cool tool and definitely something to take a look at. So thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.